In version 667 of Practice Perfect, we've taken the wired client connection to another level. You can launch conversations from directly within the EMR. Here's how. The first way is to click Pending Messages on the left-hand sidebar. This will automatically open the messages screen of Wired Client to all of your unread messages. No need to log in separately. We can also launch a conversation with a specific patient by opening their profile or highlighting one of their appointments and clicking this button here. This will open up the two-way conversation with the client, and you can continue it right in this screen. To set this up, simply go to Settings, Customize Wired Client, and enter your login credentials here. And that's it. Happy texting.